Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have ownership or explicit permission. This avoids legal trouble. Next, plug the repeater into power and connect your laptop with an Ethernet cable so you have direct access. Once connected, make sure you note the device model and any sticker info. Those often include a default IP and admin username. This direct wired step prevents wireless lockouts and lets you reach the device's web interface to view or change settings safely. You now open your browser and type the repeater's IP address. Common defaults are 192, 168, 0, 1 or 192, 168, 1, 1, but check the sticker. Then log in with the default admin username and password from the manual. If you previously changed them, use your saved credentials. Once inside, go to Wireless or Security Settings and look for the WPA passphrase or network key field. That value is the repeater's Wi-Fi password. Copy it exactly, including case and symbols. If you can't log in because credentials are lost, perform a factory reset by holding the reset button for about 10 seconds. This restores defaults so you can use the sticker credentials. Once reset, immediately reconfigure the repeater. Join it to your main network, set a new strong WPA2 or WPA3 passphrase, and save changes. If something goes wrong, check status LEDs and try another browser or clear cache. These simple checks often resolve connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.